Okay. Yeah. So good evening, all of you. Yeah. Today I'm going to talking about it time management. Okay. So today I made very good PPT about time management. So yeah, means let me start today's session. So please listen carefully and you can watch also because it is a very important thing because everybody know about time management but very few people they can use means properly. Why? Because mostly people they have no idea how to divide our means time means for example each everybody they get 24 hours in one day time. Okay, so some people they have a idea how to like a divide means which types divide. Firstly you think about it like my working my means body my working style, so my human all human being I think divided three parts. Okay, firstly you any things like if you means now you students you can so firstly you can you should develop our means time management thinking. Okay, because it is also very good thing. So how to divide each every persons have a 24 hours in one day. So firstly you think about it, you should divide three parts: one for working, for rest, and for playing. So how to divide? Because work is a very important thing. Okay, so I think you give up 10 to 12 hours each every day. I think it is also very good thing. Which types work? Suppose some students, some teenagers, they are doing preparation for competition exam and any exam. So I think that they give up 10 to 12 hours each every day. I think it is sufficient. And second thing, rest. What is the rest? I think whenever we talk about it, some people yeah means my feeling is not good. Why? Means I'm felt very good because if you do not take a proper sleep, if you do not take a proper rest, I think your working style and your thinking means all kind of activity we are going not very well. Why? Because these are very important things. Okay, firstly you should means give up 101 focus your work. Okay, 10 to 12 hours each every day. And second, you take a proper rest also. Okay, so I think here you should give up I think 7 to 8 hours also. Okay. And last thing also I would like mention very interesting and very important things. But why? Because mostly persons they means skip, they means ignore this type thinking. Okay, like a playing means if you here I would like means I telling about it different types. Playing is not like a playing like a fun for fun and entertainment. It is a quality to whenever anybody doesn't matter, whenever like students persons and younger also and old person also. I think each every persons they want to means want to good health in our life. 100% you need firstly you should involve you should do little bit physical exercise. Okay, it is a very important thing because people they have a good health. 100% they can do anything. So here firstly you should divide means our time three type things. One working and rest, and third time playing also. Okay, so three thing. And second thing I would like mention second thing here: eat that frog uh, early. Means what is proper meaning this word? It is equal to suppose means some persons they told about yeah means I faced lots of problem when I started reading book and when I started solve math. 100% I faced lots of problem. So it is equal means eat that frog early. Like a if you have any problem particular subject. Okay, if you face any problem particular subject and particular habit, so please you can do morning time. Okay, like whenever you woke up and after that your mind your circumstances is very cool and calm composed. Okay, so that time your mind feeling is good and your means energy level high. So that time you can do any hard, means work like a hard work, mostly hard work. So if you have any problem about any field, so firstly you can do hard work morning time mostly. So it is a quality to eat that from early time. And second, behind this reason, Because if you do, means if you can do morning time any hard work, 100% your all day means going very well. Okay, because means you have a any problem particular means field, particular topic. Firstly, you can solve this type of problem. 100% your you do you can do anything all work properly. So it is important to eat that from early. Okay. And the third thing, don't be busy. It is also very good thing, because some person, yeah, mostly time be told about, yeah, if you want to become a something, so firstly you too much busy. Okay, you take too much hard work, and you never take a rest, and you never means do other thing. I think it is a very bad thing. Okay, because it is not possible. Because if you want to become a something, so firstly you manage, okay, what I should do, means initially time. Okay, because mostly time you think about it, me, yeah, I want to become a something, so I started hard work, okay, entire day, like a 12 hours or 15 hours. I think it is a very bad thing. So, okay, so firstly you prepare means priority means suppose like nowadays all persons we are learning English language. Okay, so I think firstly you said a small short term goal. Okay, nowadays means all persons we are learning English language. So I think firstly you prepare means you give me you should give up mostly time for learn English language. Okay, because here nowadays firstly you should invest time, and you should invest all also money also. Okay, so which types thinking you now means importance, like English. Okay, because firstly you should invest money, and you should invest like time also. So here firstly be a need, firstly you give up only mostly focus for learning English language, how to learn English language, how to practice English. Okay, limited time, it is a quality do means very good thing. Because mostly time nowadays we are suppose nowadays we are learning English language. Okay, and you also think about it, other goal also, like means these are goal not these are things not necessary nowadays. So it is a quality to very perfect things, no, don't be busy. Okay, and third thing, and now final and fourth thing, focus on system not goal. What is the meaning proper? It is a quality to, I think each every person they have a goal. Okay, each every person they want to become a something in their life. Okay, but each every person's whenever we talk about it goal, I think suppose some person they want to become a IAS. Okay, they want to become a crack IAS exam, and some person they want to become a public speaker and businessman also. So I think these are a big goal, like a massive goal. Okay, so it is not possible, like means anybody they think about it, yeah, when I will complete 3 months, 6 months, and after that I will get success. So it is not possible. So here I would like mention one thing: goal is important, dream is important, all thinking is important. But here, suppose means here I'm talking about it present time. How to use present time? Okay, present means currently circumstances. Okay, how to means use properly present time. So it is a quality to focus on system, not goal. Goal it firstly you need, I think without a set goal we can't achieve anything. So firstly suppose you set goal, but depend your means system, like a local system, and means a daily routine system, how to use proper like present time. So it is a quality to focus on means system, not on a goal. Everybody they want to be mostly time think about it, yeah, I want to become a something, and every day think about it, yeah, means I want to become a something. So I think after thinking you get little bit means stressed and other thing also. Why? Because it is your long journey. Okay, so firstly you take a time, you take a patience also. Okay, so here you don't focus like your goal. means mostly time. You focus only means our journey. Okay, like a present time. How to use proper our present time? It is equal to perfect manage time. I hope means each every person's they got it some point. And thank you all of you. Listen carefully and be make a patience.